Hello there. Here's another small project in the garage as part of my cleaning up and organizing. I shot a little intro for it a while back, so I'll let that speak for itself. Bye for now. Okay, so taking things in bite-sized chunks. I've got this really messy workbench here that I built, I don't know, a year, 2 years ago. And I think what I'm going to do is put this cookie sheet divider organization thing in on the bottom shelf. I'm going to move this shelf up, and then I'm going to put materials down there so that I can find things like the loose lumber that's down there and the plastic panels that are back there somewhere and sheet metal. And anyway, if I divide and conquer, I might get this done before I die. So that's the goal right now, is to just take it in little chunks. That was it. Like I said, it's pretty simple. I'm going to go back and make sure I've got the shelf screwed down to those cross braces that you saw me moving, and make sure that it's all sturdy enough, and see if there's enough space to actually store anything in it. And probably take the rest of the dividers that I have. I've got a couple more, and maybe put those on the other side of the workbench, or find another space to do those. So thanks for watching. See you later.